Hi everyone, welcome to English 102 Critical Thinking. My name is Mary Copeland. I am your professor for this summer class. I just wanted to send you this video and welcome you and tell you a few things about the course that I think are really important and tell you a little bit about myself. I have been teaching here at Valley for about 12 years. I'm a full-time instructor. I teach a variety of English classes, freshman composition. I also teach literature and creative writing and of course critical thinking. So one of the things that I want to give you a heads up about is the really crazy summer workload. So this is a 4-unit class. Typically it's taken over 18 weeks. However, our class is 5 weeks. Actually, it's 4 3/4 weeks. So that's not a lot of time, but we still have the same amount of work to do. So what that means is every week you have an essay to write, you have 2 or 3 discussions to complete, you have some exercises to complete, along with quite a bit of reading. So it is a really intensive workload. The cool thing about that is that you get a 4-unit class done in 5 weeks, but just to let you know, it's really labor and time intensive. Some students like to ask me, well, how is critical thinking different than freshman composition? So in critical thinking, we do a lot of analysis. So the essays that we're going to do, our first essay is a visual analysis, where we're looking at images, and then we're going to do a rhetorical analysis. We're going to do a literary analysis, so it's a lot of analysis. But I will give very specific instructions on all of the assignments that we have. So the other thing I wanted to tell you is the books. So our textbook for the class is Asking the Right Questions. It is our book that discusses critical thinking. We do use the book quite a bit. There are exercises that will be due almost every week that are from the book, so you will need the textbook to be successful in the class. The other thing the other book that we're reading is Just Mercy. It is a novel. It is nonfiction, so it's true. It is by Bryan Stevenson. It's a really powerful novel about our justice system. It's about the death penalty and our justice system and its impact on the poor, on minorities, and on juveniles, and it's a really powerful book, and I'm sure you'll enjoy that. The other thing that I want to tell you, just go over my notes really quick. Oh, so I want to give you some advice on being successful in the class. So a lot of times in the online format, it's difficult, when we're not, meeting every day. So the important thing is that you read instructions carefully. I noticed that some students, they don't read all the instructions, so they'll miss something about an assignment. They don't read it carefully, so they do the wrong topic, or they include something, or they don't include something that they should. So that is one of my biggest pieces of advice, is to read instructions carefully. There's going to be an announcement every week. Read that announcement. I go into detail on all the different assignments that are due for the week. I'll be posting announcements every Monday. Other than that, I think everybody's going to do great. Look forward to working with you guys over the course of the semester, and good luck to everyone. Thanks a lot.